Poland is opening more opportunities for foreign workers in 2026. If you have been searching for a European country where you can get a work visa without IELTS and without facing a long process, this might be the best option for you. Today I will guide you through the jobs in high demand, the exact visa process, the requirements you need, and how to find real employers ready to sponsor. Follow the steps carefully so you do not miss any part that can help you secure your move. High demand jobs. 1. Production worker. Factories need workers for packaging, sorting, assembly, and machine assistance. You only need to be physically fit and able to follow instructions. 2. Construction helper. Construction companies have shortages in helpers, painters, carpenters, steel fixers, and bricklayers. Many employers train new workers. 3. Cleaning and housekeeping. Hotels and facility companies recruit people for cleaning rooms, offices, and public buildings. 4. Caregiver and support worker. Some employers take foreigners without formal certificates provided you can handle basic care tasks. 5. Farm worker. Fruit picking, harvesting, planting, greenhouse work, and general farm support are always open. 6. Truck and delivery driver. If you have a valid home country license, some companies help you convert it after you arrive. Salary expectations. Factory and warehouse workers earn 3,600 to 4,800 PLN monthly. Construction helpers earn 4,500 to 6,000 PLN. Hotel and cleaning roles pay 3,200 to 4,000 PLN. Caregivers earn 4,000 to 5,200 PLN. Drivers earn 5,200 to 7,000 PLN depending on experience. Overtime is common, so earnings often go higher. Visa types you can use. 1. National D work visa. This is the most common. You get a job offer first, then the employer applies for a work permit. After approval, you go to the embassy for your visa. 2. Seasonal work visa. Used for farm jobs and some temporary roles. Valid for short periods but easy to get. 3. EU Blue Card. Only for skilled professionals with high salaries. IELTS not required if employer accepts your communication level. How to find employers sponsoring foreign workers. Pracuj.pl, Poland's biggest job portal with thousands of openings. OLX.pl/Pracuj, good for factory, warehouse, cleaning, farm, and casual work. Job.pl, a portal used by companies looking for international workers. Tips to increase your chance. Apply for roles that match your experience. Accept entry-level jobs if you are new to Europe. Use simple English on your CV. Reply to employer emails quickly. Be ready to work overtime because many employers prefer people with flexibility. Poland is one of the easiest entry points into Europe right now because employers need workers in many fields and the visa process is clear. You do not need IELTS and you do not need advanced qualifications. What you need is the right job title, the correct application steps, and a professional CV. If you follow everything I shared, you will increase your chances of getting a sponsor for 2026. If this video helped you, make sure you check the links in the description and explore more opportunities. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.